Welcome to our guide on Delta Executor. In this video, we'll explore what Delta Executor is and the benefits it brings to your iOS devices. Before we begin, let's go over the requirements you'll need to install Delta Executor on your device. feathersigner is a powerful tool for signing apps. Let's dive into its features and functionality. First, we'll download and set up feathersigner on your device. Here's how to do it step by step. Now, let's install Delta Executor using feathersigner. Follow along with these simple steps. Once installed, it's essential to configure Delta Executor for optimal use. Let's adjust some settings. If you encounter any issues during installation, don't worry. Here are some common problems and quick fixes. Delta Executor has more to offer beyond just installation. Let's explore some exciting additional features. To keep Delta Executor running smoothly, here are some tips for maintaining its performance on your iOS devices. To wrap things up, we've covered everything from installation to maintaining Delta Executor. Happy gaming!